Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a numismatic gem, the 2000 Germany 10 cent coin. Join us as we explore its value, particularly its noteworthy appearance at a recent heritage auction.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
The 2000 Germany 10 cent coin was minted during a pivotal time in Germany's history. Just a few years prior, in 2002, the euro became the official currency for many European countries, marking a significant shift in the region's financial landscape. What makes this coin intriguing for collectors is the D mint mark, indicating that it was minted in Germany. Collectors often seek coins with specific mint marks due to their scarcity, and this D mint mark adds a layer of uniqueness to the piece. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. The gavel came down, and the 2000 Germany 10 cent coin was sold for $7,000. The coin's condition, rarity, and historical significance all played a role in determining its final value. As we wrap up our journey into the realm of numismatics, let's remember that these coins are more than just metal and monetary value. They encapsulate history, culture, and the stories of the nations that minted them.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the 2000 Germany 10 cent coin. Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more numismatic tales.